Hello friends, I'm Meghna and this video is about de-stress and its technique. So come, let's do it together. So for de-stress, first we'll do breathing practice, few pranayama. So for that, first sit to any comfortable seated pose. This is Sukhasana. You can also be in Vajrasana, Padmasana, anyone. Make sure you are comfortable. Also, you can take wall support if needed. Make sure your spine is always straight. So we'll start with Kapalbhati. So for Kapalbhati, hand mudra, tip of your thumb and index finger. Place it like this. Also, if you are a beginner, take your left palm here so that you can observe the movement of your abdomen. Breath is a passive inhalation and forceful exhalation. Inhalation is very short, so try to observe your exhalation. As you exhale, just feel that your abdomen is moving in. Also go with very slow strokes, like this.
Kapalbhati helps to calm your mind. It benefits you by helping your mood swings and minor anxiety.
Okay, now those who are comfortable, if you are a regular practitioner, just breathe.
If you're wondering how to sleep easy, then Kapalbhati gives you the sense of balance, thus making your brain feel de-stress. Those who are comfortable, you can breathe faster. People with high blood pressure, slow down your speed, or you can avoid this practice. Also, during pregnancy and menstruation, avoid this practice. Once done, take break of 10 seconds. Just breathe naturally.
Do it at least 3 rounds. So let's move to the second one. If you are comfortable, you can do it little faster, little fast stroke.
Keeping your face relaxed. Advanced practitioner can do per minute 100 to 120 strokes, whereas beginners 25 to 30 strokes. Once done, relax. Do this practice at least 5 minutes every day.
Second, abdominal breathing. Here, as you breathe in, your abdomen is bulging like a balloon, and as you exhale, it's sinking down. Breathe consciously, spine straight, palms again in Chin Mudra, eyes closed.
Abdominal breathing helps to control the nervous system and encourages the body to relax. The stress response can be reduced by conscious breathing, breathing using the diaphragm. Breathe slowly. You can also count your breath. Inhalation 5 count 5 seconds. Exhalation 7 seconds. Those who are comfortable, you can increase the count.
Repeat this practice for at least 9 times. Third, alternate nostril breathing. So for that, take your right hand and fold your index and middle finger. So we'll be using thumb and ring finger here. So with your thumb, you're closing your right nostril and ring finger, your left. Fine? So let's start. First take a deep inhalation. Exhale out.
Now close your right nostril with your thumb and inhale from your left. Block your left with ring finger and exhale from right. Inhale from right. Block your right with thumb and exhale from left. With this completed one cycle. Continue 5 more cycles. As you exhale with your left nostril, gently stop the practice and relax.
Fourth, Brahmari Pranayama. So for that, take your thumb and close your ear. Rest finger here. So, eyes closed.
And let's chant Makara.
Let's do it 5 times. Breathe in.
Brahmari Pranayam is the best cure for stress. It results in self-healing. It helps to lowers the blood pressure and relieving hypertension. It also helps to improve sleep.
So now let's move to asanas for de-stress and anxiety. Ready? Okay. First is Sukhasana. You can sit in this pose and breathe consciously. Make sure your spine is straight.
This pose helps to kick out anxiety, stress and mental tiredness. It stretches and lengthening your spine and it calms your mind. It also opens your hip.
Second, puppy pose. So, knees are dipped width apart. Drop your palm and stretch.
Try stretching your arms, hip pointing up. Hold this pose at least for a minute. This pose stretches the spine, shoulders, upper back, arm and abdominal muscles. As a slight inversion with the heart just higher than the head, this pose helps in calming the body, stress and anxiety.
Tree pose. So, your heels, balance yourself, look front, arms to the heart. Only if you're comfortable, stretch your arms out.
It creates peace in your mind and in your body.
Even this is also fine.
This pose helps to build confidence in you.
Trikonasana. So stretch your arms, right to out, exhale and stay here.
It increases stability, it activates your core muscles, strengthening and lengthening your spine, and helps in reducing stress.
Next, forward fold. So palms on your hip, knees bend, slowly drop your palms, stay.
This pose helps in stretching the hip, hamstring and calf muscles, strengthen the thighs and knees, keeps your spine strong and flexible, reduces stress, anxiety, depression and fatigue, and also helps in calming the mind. Hold this pose at least for a minute.
Now, seated forward fold. So, you bend your knees, spine straight.
Trying keeping your spine straight. It's okay if you're bending your knees slightly. This pose calms the mind and helps relieve the stress and mild depression. It helps in reducing headache, anxiety and reduce fatigue. Hold this pose at least for a minute. Next, happy baby pose. Lie flat on your back on the floor. Bend your knees towards your chest at 90-degree angle. Now grab your feet from inside and press. This pose helps reducing stress, anxiety and fatigue, even tiredness. Helps in lower the heart rate. Also good in lower back pain.
Okay. So friends, are you ready to laugh? Yes. Our next technique is laughter yoga. So have you ever heard about laughter yoga? Okay. In this you need to laugh. Laugh without any reason. Okay. Okay. So laughter yoga has so many benefits. First, it lowers your blood pressure, it increases your oxygen intake, it improves your concentration and respiratory system, it makes you happy and it improves your health of your heart. So there are so many benefits. So try to laugh anytime, anywhere you can laugh. Make sure it's not annoying, but keep laughing without any reason. In laughter yoga, there are 3 factors. First, laugh. Second, breathe, and then clapping. So, try to merge all together. Laughing with breathing and with clapping. Cool? So, let's start. So, guys, first learn to laugh without any reason. Like this. Okay. Okay. While in laughter yoga, try not to hide your face with your hands. Okay. So guys, there are so many tricks and techniques you can try for laughter yoga. So I am using my right hand for slow laughing and left for louder laughing. Ready? Come on. Okay, I know it's funny, but let's begin. Okay, this was one trick. Now let's do with breathing. Inhale, hands up. You are inhaling and then you are laughing like hell. Fine, come on. Let's try. Come on. Come on. Okay, like this. Maybe it's funny, maybe you're looking weird, but that's okay. It's a therapy. Fine? Okay, now with claps. I will clap here and then here with laugh. Fine? Come on. I know guys, funny. Okay, now my next trick is, this is a key. So, 3 stages. First, little one, and then more than that, and last, ha 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 ha. Fine, come on. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Come on, once again. Inserting the key. This one is original. Come on, once more. Okay, once more. Insert. So guys, keep laughing at least 5 more minutes. Don't stop. It's a therapy. Okay. So I'm taking off now guys, so keep practicing and do share your experience. Hope you like this video and comment me that how you like this video, how you like this last segment and keep laughing guys. So see you, bye. Please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.